war between Binance and FTX has continued, and there have been a lot of worrying updates coming both from SBF and also from Binance's CZ that I do need to go over. As usual, if you do appreciate these update videos, make sure you do go down below and smash up that like button and subscribe so that you guys stay up to date in the latest for the crypto market. But yeah, let's get into everything you need to know about the current situation. So in my last video, I did talk about how CZ from Binance told everyone that he was going to start selling his FTT tokens as he just didn't believe in the FTX exchange. And Alameda Capital actually replied saying that, that's not a good idea as it will hurt the price of FTT and all the people that do hold the token, and that if they're looking to minimize the market impact, Alameda will happily buy all their, I believe, $2.3 billion worth of FTT tokens at today's price of $22. But someone replied with a screenshot of this tweet saying, with what money? Right here as well is another screenshot of the fact that FTX stablecoin reserves has reached a year low with only 51 million. And yes, CZ also tweeted with this confused face right here, indicating that, nobody knows what money they're going to use to buy this from. Due to this FUD, we have seen a massive bank run from FTX. Tons of people have just been removing all their money from the platform. And you can see right here, the net outflows. The 1 week net outflows are almost $1 billion in the last 24 hours. $450 million have left the FTX platform. But guys, here's where things get a little bit strange for FTX and Alameda Capital. Now, they have said that those two things are completely separate entities. Alameda Capital is simply just the investment, simply just a VC fund, and FTX is, an exchange, and their funds don't interlink. But guys, of all the things that give me great concern for crypto, number one is that as FTX is getting drained of reserves from people withdrawing from the exchange, Alameda is sending stables from its trading wallets to the FTX hot wallet. A lot of people have been making the argument that, if FTX is fully solvent and has all the money it needs, why exactly is Alameda sending money to FTX so that, more people can withdraw? Does FTX actually have the money to back its exchange up? A possible solution to this could be the fact that, yes, they do have the money, but it isn't in crypto, or it's locked up in some cold storage, and it's just easier for, Alameda to send money straight away so that they can deal with the withdrawals. As guys, they're having an insane amount of withdrawals currently, and it's probably pretty difficult to, service $450 million daily getting taken out of your exchange. Now, here's another crazy thing to think about, guys. Let's say, hypothetically speaking, that Alameda Capital and FTX were completely fine before all this FUD happened. With this FUD happening and Binance selling a ton of FTT tokens and everyone withdrawing money from FTX, what if this is a self-fulfilling prophecy, and because of all the FUD, FTX and Alameda Capital is now genuinely starting to get some serious financial issues? That is something to think about right there. But FTX SBF has responded. Once again, this is the creator of both Alameda Capital and FTX, and he said this: a competitor is trying to go after us with false rumors. FTX is fine. Assets are fine. FTX has enough to cover all client holdings. We don't invest client assets, even in treasuries. We have been processing all withdrawals and will continue to be. Some details about withdrawal speeds below. We can just ignore that now. It's heavily regulated. Even when that slows us down, we have a gap audit with over 1 billion in excess cash. We have a long history of safeguarding client assets, and that remains true today. So yeah, according to SBF, everything is perfectly fine. According to CZ, there may be something more going underneath the hood that we're just not being told. But yeah, guys, once again, as outsiders, there's no real way to tell. And in these situations, I just like to pick the safer side. You guys may already know this, but my last video did tell you guys that, I have withdrawn money from FTX. And yeah, I'll just wait and see what happens over the next couple of weeks. If this is just FUD, which I do think, there is a higher chance that, FTX is perfectly fine. But yeah, if this is just FUD and it kind of blows over, I'll probably move that money back into FTX. But guys, if on the small chance it isn't just FUD and something actually is happening, I will be glad that I took my money out. That's basically it though, guys. If you do enjoy these update videos where you get all the information that you do need in a quick and concise manner, make sure you do subscribe so that you guys stay up to date in the latest for the crypto markets. And also, if you do check out the links I have in the description and the pinned comment, I have links to all the best cryptocurrency exchanges that you guys need to be on and massive bonuses. For example, right now, if you do sign up to BYBIT and deposit, it literally takes a couple couple minutes, you get over 4,000 US dollars for free deposited straight to your crypto account, and that is a massive amount of money, especially during this bear market. We've got other bonuses as well, and guys, if you do sign up to one of the exchanges and you shoot me a DM on Twitter, you'll be allowed to join my altcoin research Discord. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon.